Welcome back to another Thrift with me. Thank you so much for joining me again. I have a thrift with me and a haul. So if you prefer just to watch the haul, you can go ahead and bump ahead to about 8 minutes, 9 minutes to see that haul. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you. I'm actively trying to grow this new channel. And those of you who have joined me, I appreciate you so much. Thanks so much for subscribing. And as always, I appreciate your comments and any feedback. When I don't get something that you think I should have got, you guys are sure to tell me. So feel free to give me your opinions. And even any constructive criticism, like I love that too. So thank you so much for joining, and please enjoy this thrift with me. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy with Just Brandy, and here I share thrift with me's and thrift hauls and other home decor goodies. So if you're into that, please think about subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I hope you enjoy the thrift with me that I posted beforehand. And now it's time for the haul. So the first thing I wanted to share with you, and I got some really unique pieces. The first thing I found were these trio of silver bowls, and I absolutely love these. I love the shape of them, and they're very mid-century modern. And interesting, and they're definitely vintage. The brand is it is the Pentel Collection by Towel. That's Towle. Um, I don't, I can't see when they were actually made. I don't see a date on them, but I did find them on eBay being sold as a trio, and I just think they're fabulous. They're great as like snack bowls, or if you just wanted to set out one bowl to hold a few knickknacks on a coffee table. I think it would be kind of awkward to have like all three out at one time unless you were using them to serve like little snacks at a party or some other little get together. They would be beautiful, but all three of them spread out on like one coffee table at one time, unless it was a massive table, I think it would be too much. So I haven't decided how I'm going to use them yet, but I really kind of gravitate toward this one. I really love the shape of it. I think it's very interesting. Um, and it kind of fits my theme. Now, for some reason lately, I've been really attracted to silver things. I don't know what it is about it, um, but I haven't quite figured out how to incorporate that into my home decor style. And so I might be changing some things up in my living room to accommodate these pieces that I found. So the next piece, oh, and what did I pay for these? Shoot. I want to say that they were a few bucks a piece. So altogether, they were probably under $10. The next piece I found, I actually posted a thrift with me, a mid-century heaven thrift with me. That was my last video. If you haven't seen that, make sure you watch that, especially if you love mid-century decor, because I found this spot that had so much mid-century. It was just wonderful. Like, I loved it. And I actually found this next item there, and I didn't get it immediately, and I went back for it. And I said, why am I not getting that? But it was these alabaster grapes. And if you watched, um, there's a few YouTubers that have actually been like purchasing these for home decor. It's a very mid-century piece, and they're beautiful. And you probably remember in your grandparents' house or maybe your home, people used to have like fake fruit basically. But I really love the look of this. You'll see some bunches of grapes that are like really, really big. I don't know what I would do with a huge, huge thing of fake grapes, but this is just kind of the right size. It's a little bigger than the palm of my hand. Um, and it's very easy to kind of put it somewhere without it kind of taking over. But the color is a very, very, very pale, like olive green color. I really like the color. They are a bit dirty. I do need to clean them off, but I do really like them. And it was $29. And these grapes, if you buy them new, can really run for like um, the price really gets up there. So I thought $29 was a good deal, and I was happy I found these. I had purchased some grapes because I kind of liked the look of them, and I had found some at Goodwill, but they were like the plastic ones. That that look doesn't work. You've got to have these stone kind of hard glass or alabaster um, grapes in order to get that look. So my next item is this. What can we call this? I guess it looks like basically a kind of shell. It almost looks like a seashell, like some type of like medallion, or what do they call those, silver dollars? Sort of. Um, it's just ceramic, but I did like the look of it. I thought it was very unique. This was $4, and oh, this is actually from Target. Yeah, it's distributed by Target. So it does have a chip on it, but when it's sitting on the shelf, you don't notice that. So I thought that was pretty nice. My last item that I'm going to show you is I found this silver platter bowl, pedestal bowl, I guess you can call it. Um, I was looking through the silver items, and silver is really traditional. It's a very, when you put that in your house, you're either going for glam or very traditional. And I can't say that my house is either of those things. But I do like the idea of having silver items because they actually hold value and they're classic. I polished it up as best I could, and I need to figure out how to polish it up even better. But I do like it. I did notice that these pieces were going for $100, $200. It's a Rogers and Bro 1762 is the model number on here. If I can find it on eBay, I'll try to enclose it. I haven't decided whether or not I want to keep it or sell it, but it's not like in mint condition. So I'm not sure that it would make sense to sell it at this time, but I definitely advise everyone to look through the silver pieces because there are some pieces that are worth a lot, especially when you get the silverware sets or the beautiful the teapots. Those can be worth a pretty penny. So definitely check them out, you guys. And thank you. So that will be all for my thrift haul. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe and let me know what your favorite piece was. Thank you so much for those new subscribers and those of you who continue to support me and always like leave a comment, and I appreciate that so much. Like I really do. Like I feel like some kind of like kinship with you all. So I appreciate that, and you guys have a really good week. Bye.